People get up every day, they do the same thing. They tell themselves they're going to change their life one day, and they never do. I'm going to change mine.
Hi everybody, it's March 24th, Monday 2025, and we're gonna be looking for the order block model today's date. So it's usually start from monthly time frame. This is how it looks on monthly. Let's go down to weekly. This is weekly, so was target for this week for me. You can watch yesterday's video with me reading the bias, and this was my target. So it was delivered in one day. Good, very good. Let's see what's going to happen next. Let's go down to daily time frame. This is how it looks on daily. Let's go down to 4-hour time frame. This is how it looks on 4-hour time frame. For 1 hour. 1 hour, and I want to show you something that price delivered towards 2.5 standard deviation. Beautiful, isn't it? And now let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, as usually you wanna see 9:30 opening, 8:30 opening, and of course midnight opening price. You will ask why? Because these levels oftentimes they behave like support and resistance, and price oftentimes gravitates towards those prices. So you gotta be studying how it really does that. So let's go down to 5-minute time frame. This is 5-minute time frame, 4, 3, and this is where we had the setup on 3-minute time frame. Let me show it to you. So look at that. What are these? Relative equal lows, right? Beautiful. So relative close we're taking all of those down closed candles. That's bullish order block, isn't it? Bullish order block. And what do I teach you? What do I teach you? The easiest entry is 3 ticks above this opening price, which would be 20,286 even. And what about target? What do I teach you? To standard deviation to 2.5 with some kind of liquidity. And what liquidity was there? There was volume imbalance, and look at that gap, relative equal highs. That's beautiful, just amazing. Here you go. Let's go down to 3-minute time frame. Here how it looks, those relative equal highs and 2 standard deviations. And yeah, let's see how it looks in terms of risk reward. It will be 1 to 2 about if you go with the biggest stop loss. And here are the executions. As I say, 3 ticks above the opening price, entry inside this fair value gap after market structure shift over here, and exit right over here. It's better to enter before the even number, which would be 20,400, right? So the exit is 2 handles before that. So this is for the morning session, and let's go down to 2-minute time frame. I'm gonna show you this time frame, how it looks here. 2, 1, and now let's go to PM session. So we have PM session, 1:30, all of that down movement. That's 1-minute time frame. Let me go down to 30-second time frame. It's going to be much more pronounced and understandable. 30 seconds, fair value gap, and we take the opening price. That's bullish order block. That's bullish order block. You take the highest point, the lowest. You make projections to the upside. And where would be the entry? Entry would be or on this candle, or on this candle, or on this candle, or any of those candles. So pretty much you had enough time to enter. And yeah, and the exit would be where? Here. You will say, why not 2 standard deviation? because price oftentimes reverses either at 20,000, I mean 10, 10 points before even number, or at about 10 points after. Look, the high of this candle is 10,409.50, and I'll show you the execution. The entry inside this bullish order block, 30-second bullish order block, and exit 2 ticks lower than the high of the day. So remember the thing, you exit either 10 points before big number, which would be here, okay, that's the easy exit, or at about 10 points after. Like better go for like 8 or 9 points, but don't try to be too perfect. You see, it didn't reach to standard deviation. But the logic was as following: since the order block, 3-minute order block from the morning was not delivered yet, all that down movement, it's all that down movement, that's all bullish order block. It wasn't delivered yet, so hence we have the trade from the bullish order block on 30-second effect. So hopefully you found this insightful, and until talk to you next time, be well and take care. Wow, what you just learned here could change the whole approach to trading. Are you ready to take the next step? Your next big insight is just one click away.